Hello everyone, welcome to another Kick.com tutorial video. Now today I will show you how to subscribe to someone on Kick.com. Now as you can see, I'm here on the home page. So basically, as you can see on the left side, I have recommended users that I can follow or that I can subscribe to. So when you go and click on one, for example, Destiny here, as you can see, I can see that he is currently streaming. So what I can do is I can either follow him, which is kind of like subscribing to him on YouTube, right? You click follow, that's basically like a subscribe. There's also gift a sub or subscribe. So if you click subscribe here, you'll need to go and subscribe. And this is kind of like paid subscription. So you'll need to go and, pay for the subscription. But if you just want to subscribe and if you want to follow him, then just click follow here. And as you can see, you're now following. And in the left side, you will have following section right here where you can actually go and revisit every single time. So as you can see, if I go to the XQC, for example, here, if we pause this, if we follow, and as you can see, it will be on the left side right here. So that's basically how you can obviously subscribe to someone on Kick. There is paid subscribe and there is follow. So yeah, if you have any questions, comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.